I hope I'm not too late to the party of, basically telling people about the new update that came to CSGO, but if you're really unaware of what's going on, I'm just gonna cut it short, this entire article. They're basically adding Anubis, removing Dust 2, which is weird because CSGO has been a map on CSGO for like, I think 10 years now. Oh my god. But yeah, so that is not a big thing because you're still going to be able to play it, in competitive modes or casual matches or a death match. So it's okay. But the real big thing is the AWPS. They got nerfed, and then on top of that, the M4A1S also got nerfed. I'll tell you what happened exactly. So, the AWP, it had its magazine size reduced to 5 bullets from 10. Is it really something that's good? Is it really going to benefit people? Is it really going to make the game better? Shit if I know. Is it going to affect the value of AWP skins? It might. I really have no idea. So honestly, for that, you just have to let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys believe that it would actually affect CSGO skins, like the value of them, or if people are going to switch to, like, let's say scouts are going to go up in price. I have really no idea. And then on top of that, the M4A1S, it now does less damage at long ranges, which is okay. I don't think it's that noticeable, to be honest. I don't think it's going to be way too noticeable. I feel like the real big thing is, the real two big things are the Dust 2 being removed from the active duty and, yeah, the up skins. But honestly, just let me know what you guys think about the update down below. And yeah, I guess have fun playing CSGO and have an amazing day.